The COVID-19 pandemic has severely impacted workers and their organizations across the world. According to the ILO, there was an 8.8% loss in global working hours in 2020. That is equivalent to 255 million full-time jobs lost. Women have been more affected than men, and younger workers have been particularly hard hit. The pandemic has also had an uneven impact on different economic, geographic and labor market sectors, creating the risk that those sectors and workers hit hardest could be left even further behind in the recovery unless corrective measures are taken. But even before this crisis, the world of work already faced multiple challenges. To help tackle this unprecedented situation, the ILO's Bureau for the Workers' Activities, ACTRAV, has been at the forefront in assisting workers' organizations across the world. From January to March 2021, ACTRAV efforts have looked at three main challenges. ACTRAV collected and analyzed data and information from workers' organizations from 133 countries around the world to learn more about how workers are dealing with the crisis. This ACTRAV flagship report was widely disseminated among workers' organizations in multiple languages. It shows that the pandemic is a wake-up call for efforts to build forward better and advance labor and social agendas. But it also shows the importance of effective social dialogue in finding sustainable solutions to the crisis. Therefore, workers' organizations have an important role to play in ensuring that the measures taken will support an equitable economic recovery and build resilience to face future crises. Trade unions' engagement is key to implementing UN reform and the Agenda 2030. ACTRAV has therefore worked hand-in-hand with trade unions to meaningfully engage with the UN Sustainable Development Cooperation processes, guided by the two groundbreaking publications produced by ACTRAV. With ACTRAV support, trade unions can continue being development actors able to shape and influence an inclusive, rights-based development agenda at global, regional, and national levels. Globalization, demographic shifts, climate change, and new technologies are changing the future of work, and with it, the future of trade unions. To support workers' organizations' efforts to participate in inclusive and effective social dialogue, ACTRAV has organized 5 regional webinars with unions to date to advance the findings to 2 key publications: Trade Unions in the Balance and The Future of Work, Trade Unions in Transformation.
There are, roughly speaking, 200 to 250 million workers who have signed up to be union member. That's quite a big number. On the other hand, if you consider the world working population, then it's about 1 in 10, 1 in 9 that is member of a union.
The challenges for workers and their organizations are immense, but so too is our drive to overcome them. Together, we can build back better from the COVID-19 pandemic, towards a world with decent work and social justice for all.